Alright, I'm back in Kimball. This is, I think it's the river walk, but there's no river no more. There used to be a little bit of water there. Kind of dried up. It's a nice little area. Been here a few times. Haven't been here in a long while though. These tall trees are pretty nice. I don't know what they're called. There'd be more people here, but there isn't. Oh, my camera keeps. Oh no! Don't tell me it's closed. Oh, the bridge. I've never been on that bridge. I thought this part was closed, but it's not. Fire station. I think that's new. I don't remember that white building either. Oh my gosh, okay. Damn, this is all new. There used to be a gate there, but now they took it off. I'm gonna go a little bit, see if anything's changed. But I know this road goes all the way up to this mountain. It's really nice. Maybe I'll go there in a few days. road's not that bad here so far. Other kids are coming out of school, I should say. I think I go left here. I don't know what's to the right. I'm pretty sure this is where I went last time. Oh wow, it's nice over there. Should have brought my drone, but it's windy over here also. Gosh, steep hill. The weather's pretty nice. Pretty nice cool breeze. But it's late now, so after 4. We're gonna go a little bit further. It's too late now to go all the way up, and I don't even have my drone. Should have brought it again. Gosh, all those cracks back there, potholes. Another little hill. Rosada. What's got this kid in front of him? It's a nice large hill over there. I really need to come back here and go all the way up. And bring my drone also. think this is new also. Oh man. What's down there? Ikbaras. Okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna stop it here. Alright, I'm gonna go back. Well, that scenery here is very nice. Yeah, it's getting late. I should have done this earlier. The weather was pretty good all day also. Should have taken advantage of it. That's fine. Over there looks like, I don't know if it's private property or what. Maybe next time I'll go down there. It's farmland right there. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna stop the camera here. I keep forgetting to charge it and it's getting low again. Hope you enjoyed this another little scenic drive. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.